Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we have some news regarding the PS Vita package files, the PSM runtime package files. And a lot of people are having issues with their Vita DB, so I made this easy guide for everyone to follow, and it has generated a lot of views, which is awesome, and I've helped thousands of people to get their consoles up and running, getting all their ports working with the shader compiler file installed correctly, and having VitaDB. As of recent, I had a comment saying that the PSM runtime packages are no longer available, and someone in my Discord also shared some screenshots. And unfortunately, Sony has removed all of the PSM packages from their CDN, and we're not able to get the packages just like this. So I'll have to update this guide or provide a link for easier access to those package files. Now, they have backed up or archived most of the content from the CDN, and you can look at everything under archive.org page, and it gets kind of confusing because there's so many files. There's over 1,000 files here, and I'm sure people will get confused as to what to download as far as the package files go. And one of my viewers on Discord was showing me and just got so confused on what to do. So what I did is I created a new Google Drive link so you guys can download the package files here to make it easier, and the package installer launcher. So that way it's a lot easier for everyone to just go through this process of installing the PSM runtime. And if you already have the package folder on your PS Vita, I recommend backing that up on your desktop just in case. So yeah, it's unfortunate to see this, but you know, it's an old console and it was eventually going to happen here where the support is no longer going to be there for a console like this that just never really gets support. So, and this website's just not working as well too. Everything seems to be kind of broken. So yeah, just make sure to follow that link in the pinned comment for those PSM runtime package files, and you should be good to go. So just wanted to keep you guys updated on the latest news on the PS Vita. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.